Square Invoices offers a robust, free tool for creating job estimates, ideal for small businesses, freelancers, and contractors. To start, sign up for a free Square account via the website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Invoices section and select Create Estimate. Enter essential details such as client information, itemized line items with quantities, descriptions, and unit prices. Specify any applicable tax rates, discounts, and relevant payment terms. Square provides customizable templates for various industries like construction, plumbing, and event planning. These templates can be personalized with your logo, colors, and fonts to maintain a professional brand identity. Sending the estimate is straightforward, offering options via email, with tracking, SMS, or a direct link. You can also set up reminders and follow-up notifications to improve client response rates. All estimates are stored securely in the cloud with automatic backups, allowing for easy editing or duplication for recurring jobs. A key feature is the ability to attach photos or files, enhancing the clarity and professionalism of your proposals. Maximize the effectiveness of your estimates by ensuring compliance with local tax laws, such as automatically integrating GST or VAT in supported regions. Take advantage of Square's AI-assisted features, which suggest pricing based on market data, potentially saving you time and improving accuracy. Square is emphasizing mobile-first design, with a majority of users now creating estimates via mobile apps. Consider eco-friendly practices by utilizing paperless sending options to reduce print waste. Looking ahead, expect deeper integrations with AI and e-commerce platforms. Future updates may include blockchain-based secure sharing for high-value estimates and expanded API access for third-party apps like QuickBooks or Zapier. However, be aware of regulatory scrutiny on data privacy and ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR. Overall, Square is evolving into a comprehensive solution, potentially bundling estimates with payment processing and CRM functionalities in future updates.